Indonesia to Hawaii, almost around the Pacific Ocean rim. So really, it's a huge area covered. This tsunami warning it's a warning message.
Yes, the warning is very widespread. We're looking at these pictures now of the actual tsunami hitting the coast of Japan there. Can you tell us, or do you have very much information about how high that wave was, whether there is another wave coming, another tsunami? What information do you have specifically about what has happened already?
Actually, about the tsunami warning, we have the same information as you have, because the tsunami warning message is entirely from different agencies, which is the Pacific Tsunami Warning Center. We